I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on a Mercedes B250, and you don't have to go to the dealer to get them changed. You don't have to get the original parts. There are many wiper blades you can purchase out there, and it comes with the adapters, and I'll show you quickly how to change it without hassle. So to remove the original ones on the Mercedes-Benz B250, you basically press here and this side, and then push them inwards, both of them, and then pull it outwards. So pull it outwards away from the metal blades gently, and then make sure to release the metal. You can probably better off putting a cloth so that it doesn't scratch the glass. If you don't have it, just gently deposit it on the glass. And then, so basically this is the original Benz blades made in Germany. So what you can do is go pick up one in your auto parts store. I just went to Canadian Tire and grabbed these Reflex Ice. So this car requires one 19-inch for passenger and a 26-inch for the driver's side. So take the wipers out of the bag, and these are the adapters. And it's the adapter number 4 that you'll need. So open the bags and look for the number 4. There you go, number 4. So this is the number 4. It comes with instructions. Easy to follow, no writing, just pictures. So basically we want to remove what's on the blade that you purchased and install your adapter, and here it shows that it needs to make a clicking sound, and then you can just go and put it onto your car by placing the back of it first and then pushing in the tip, which I'll show you. So what we'll do now is we have our 19-inch passenger side. So pull this out, no good. That's it, click, garbage. Pick up your number 4, and then see this little metal cylinder there. So align this together, and then push on it until you hear a click. That's it, all done. So now you can go and install it onto the wiper blade metal. So what you're gonna do now is so you're gonna put this end first and then push the top end to click it. So align the back end. Okay, the back end is aligned. And then push the front end and it's gonna click. That's it. But guess what? Cheap part. One of the adapter piece just broke. I mean, it's gonna hold, but you know, I might have to go exchange that one. I'll show you the same on the other side. So this I already had prepared. This is the 26-inch one driver. So just bring the back on both sides and then that's it, and then gently push it in. That's it. See, this one didn't break. And that's simple.